Good evening, Mayor. Good evening, council members. My name is Brian Sodre. I'm the owner, general contractor, and owner of Minneapolis. I am actually dedicated to building affordable housing. And the way that we do it is by building small footprint homes. I started this concept of building safe, small homes in Brevard County that can withstand Category 5 winds, offer high energy efficiency, and are more sustainable for our planet. The main cause is for affordability. When I started this concept, it really opened up the eyes to affordable housing, and we've been getting a lot of calls from developers, cities, counties to adopt our concept. And the common theme that we keep running across is zoning. We've noticed that in the city of Fort Myers, the minimum building square footage is 800 square feet for RM7 specifically. And the average minimum square footage is 1,000 square feet. Affordable housing is a problem. We all recognize that. And I think it's a responsibility to the council members to make a change not only on the housing itself, but parts of what's required to make these houses affordable. My suggestion, allow for higher densities, reduce the minimum requirements for housing, reduce impact fees, and incentivize small footprint home builders. I think my last comment here is that anytime affordable housing is put on RFPs and builders are requesting funding for affordable housing, that the city requires that these homes are not only affordable but also safe. We live in Florida, and you've seen what happens to houses when they're not built well. So I hope that my comment today allows for some communication, some movements to make this city offer better housing, more affordable housing.
Do you have any pictures of your work or any?
Yes, I brought some brochures.
Yeah, each council person should have been provided with a packet last week. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I was in Brevard County this weekend and drove by one of the homes. It's not bad looking, I'll tell you that. Mr. Manager, I don't know if this is something at a future work session we could discuss if there are opportunities.
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you. Willie Joe Shopmiller, followed by Mark Cranford.